Sawadee, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make some jeow bong. Jeow bong and original chili paste. Not of Lao, they like to do like this, and the South too. But my mom like to do too. But I'm gonna show you how to make chili paste. But this one it be sticky right with when you don't have anything to eat. Just take one scoop of the teaspoon and with sticky rice. It's more than enough, it's really good for you to try this one. Step by step, me Naly kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna show you all my ingredients today. You're gonna love it, you're gonna like to try, you're gonna like to do, and you wanna share with somebody because it's really good, really simple, really easy to eat, to have at home. Our family, they know how to do this, but I just wanna share how we do this chili. But this one is last long time. When you make this, I put in the freezer. When you take it out to eat, it's still the same. No hard, no nothing, no frozen, no nothing. It's still the same. Everything have to be. Don't go. If you wanna know how to make this chili paste, you have to stay with Naly kitchen. Okay? I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. Right? See you guys then. I don't know how to call in English, but as Lao and Lao they call jeow bong. The garlic almost done. Really nice. You have to fry garlic until golden brown. Okay? When you make everything have to be cooked. If the garlic's not cooked, the chili not gonna stay that long. Okay? อันนี้มาปรุงแจ่วบองกันเนาะ ก่อนอื่นกะ the first thing I have is chili powder, galangal powder, MSG, and cow skin, and fish sauce. Okay guys, you have to stay with me. I'm gonna mix all the ingredients, and that's how I get, right? That's all ingredient jeow bong. It's a Lao original jeow bong. Okay, why? The first thing I'm gonna add some chili powder. I want everything bold. Okay, chili powder and garlic, fried garlic like this. Everything cooked when you make jeow bong. Okay, if not cooked, everything gonna be bad. This is galangal powder, and fish sauce, don't add any water. Okay, if you do this kind of chili, it's gonna make your chilies bad. And mix more fish sauce, and after that I add some MSG. I add 2 tablespoons. I need more fish sauce. Add half bottle first. It's not enough, you can add some more. Okay, see, if have a little bit liquid, it's okay, and you can add some cow skin anyway. And don't forget, okay, sugar, 8 tablespoons first. Okay, and mix. Jeow bong is this really little bit sweet. Okay, everything really tasty. Ingredient mix really well. Okay, that's how you make a jeow bong. Add more galangal. Okay, because galangal is more flavor, and garlic. Okay, see, $11 tablespoon more and MSG. Okay, jeow bong is really good for our hometown. When you don't have anything to eat, you have a boiling egg, sticky rice, eat with this more than enough, when you don't have anything to eat. Okay, cow skin. My mom sliced this one long time already, but it's still so yummy. Look at that. When I make beef salad, I add this. It's really good too. Okay, I'm gonna add the cow skin into the bowl, the pot.เห็นบอกพี่น้องอันนี้เจียวบองเดี๋ยวมาลงเบิ่งใกล้ๆมาอันนี้เจียวบองเด้อค่อยI turn on the low heat little bit because I wanna water go down a little bit because I add a lot of sugar and fish sauce. Then I want a little bit thicker than this. Okay, and come back with me a little bit. Overnight, gonna cover with a lid, and tomorrow come check with me how it go. Okay, because it's good already, but to have a little bit liquid, and I'm gonna wait until the what's the called the skin a little bit thicker, and you're gonna be fine. Okay, guys. Oh my God, you guys, look at that. อันนี้เข้าห้องอันลาวได้ข้อเจียวบอง Smells so good. Smells so good. Let me taste a little bit. Oh my God. Perfect, everybody. My God. Sugar. I just add everything together. Last night I add 2.5 cups of this. That's all for jeow bong today. And if you like to try some, please do at home. And really easy, really quickly, and it's good to have at home. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye guys. Have a good day. Bye. Don't forget Naly Kitchen, chili, okay?